Hi, good evening everyone. So today me and my friend we're gonna discuss about information retrieval in advertising. In the modern digital world, ads are everywhere from Google search result to Instagram reels, and it's all powered by something called information retrieval or IR. IR helps advertising find the right audience at the right time and with the right message too. By analyzing large amount of user data such as search history, performance, and online behavior, advertisement can show highly relevant ads which combine with artificial intelligence and NLP. IR have completely transformed the marketing landscape, making ads smarter, engagement higher, and conversation rate better. Foundational concept of IR. There are three main building blocks of IR in advertising. One is information indexing, query formulation, and relevance ranking. What exactly is information indexing? This is where users and ad data are organized using keywords, categories, and metadata. So the system can retrieve the most relevant and quickly. Query formulation. When users search something, IR interprets their queries and try to understand what they really mean using NLP and semantic analysis. Relevance ranking. Finally, IR ranks ad based on user context, performance, and past behavior. So only the most relevant ads appear, which is important though. Importance of IR in advertising. IR have changed how brands connect with advertisement in four big ways: targeted advertising, enhanced customer experience, data driven decision making, and revenue optimization. Targeted advertising. It ensures that users see ads relevant with their intent or interest. For example, if someone searches for fitness care, they'll see running shoe ad on their screen. So that's how targeted advertising works. And enhanced customer experience. By filtering irrelevant content, IR reduces ad fatigue and improves user satisfaction. So no relevant ads are shown on their screen. Just a simple way in a simple way. Data driven decision making. Advertisement analyze campaign data in real time to improve keyword strategy and ad performance. Relevant optimization. IR helps increase click through rates and reduce wasted AdSense, improving return on advertisement. Applications of IR in advertising. IR isn't just theory, it's behind every platform we use. When it comes to Instagram, Reels, TikTok, YouTube, whatnot. Search advertising. Google and Bing use IR to show ads that match search intent. Just like simple. If I search for shoe, it just shows shoe advertising. Recommendation system. Platforms like Amazon, Netflix, and YouTube suggest ads or products similar to what user already engaged with. Like if I'm searching for a new phone, only phone advertisement will pop up on my screen. Just like that. So analyze likes and search to show personalized ads. What a person is really into. Programmatic advertising. This user real time binding to automatically place the right and perform the right person at the right time. So next come search methodology and techniques. There are different ways IR system search and retrieve ads. Keyword based search, search, and Content based retrieval matches words in the query to the ad database. That is how keyword based search works. And semantic search focuses on meaning and user intent using NLP. For example, linking car and automobile. Content based retrieval looks at ad visuals, titles, or descriptions, not just text, to find similar content. Machine learning and AI in advertising IR. Artificial intelligence takes IR to the next level. Intelligent search, data analytics, and natural language processing, computer vision. So, what does intelligent search mean? AI machine learning machine learning studies campaign metrics and user engagement, how well he is engaged or looking for the product. NLP, understanding complex and emotional queries. Computer vision recognizes brand logos or products in images and recommends related ads. So, advertising data analytics. Now, my friend Bharat Vallavaneni gonna continue from advertising data analytics. For more information, yeah, thank you.
Now we're gonna look for the advertising data analytics. So data is the core. Yeah, yeah. As we know, yeah. So so now we'll be seeing advertising data analytics. Yeah. So now we'll be seeing advertising in data analytics. So data is the core of IR in advertising. So there are like three types of analytics in that. So there will be like predictive analytics, descriptive analytics, and prescriptive analytics in there. So what is predictive analytics is like it forecasts what users will be interested in the next ad. So that's what predictive analysis works. And the descriptive analytics will be summarizing the past performance, like how they performed in the past. And the prescriptive analysis recommends what changes to make for better results. Like if you see tools like Hadoop, Spark, and Google BigQuery help process billions of impressions every day, allowing real-time insights like predicting when users are most likely to click the ad. So that's how the the advertising data analytics works. And now we will see the challenges in IR for advertising. As we know, everything have its advantages and challenges. So despite its success, IR faces major challenges like data privacy laws, like GDPR limit how users' data can be used. This is one of the most like affected, one of the major challenges faced in IR for advertising. And user intent can be ambitious, and the ad fraud and bot clicks distort results. And understanding emotions and sarcasm is still difficult for algorithms. So these are some challenges that are faced in IR for advertising. And next, we'll be seeing the tools and libraries for advertising IR. There are like different types of tools used for different types of tasks. So, like for example, if you see text retrieval and ranking tasks, so for that task, we'll be using different types of libraries and frameworks like Apache Solr, BM25, Whoosh, etc. And for ad recommendation and targeting, we'll be using skitlearn, TensorFlow, LangChain, XGB, etc. And for NLP, for ad content queries, we'll be using libraries and frameworks like Spacey, NLTK, BERT, etc. So for different types of tasks, there are different types of libraries and frameworks that can be used. And so if you see the next, so it will be the ethical and social considerations. So, with great powers comes the great responsibility. Advertisers must ensure privacy and consent, maintain fairness and transparency, and avoid the psychological manipulations. Ads should add value, not exploit emotions. So, those are some things that should be minded in the advertising. And in the and at the last, if you see what are the future trends and innovations, the future of advertising looks promising. Multimodal integration uses voice, image, and video data for richer ad understanding. And there are like personalized recommendations, like AI systems that adapt to user mood and behavior in real time. And there is like predictive models, like that ads that appear even before users start searching based on their context and the patterns they use. And so if you come to the conclusion, like to conclude, information retrieval advertising like bridges technology, psychology, and marketing. It allows brands to deliver the right ad to the right person at the perfect moment. As AI continues to evolve, we'll move on towards ads that are not only smarter and more efficient, but also transparent and ethical. So it will be creating a better experience for users and higher values for the advertisers. So thank you for giving this opportunity.